Ah, man, I'm all by myself in here in this brand new awesome tent. It holds a lot of people. I think I should call my friend Steve actually to come enjoy this with me. Let me call him right now.
Hello?
Hey Steve, what are you doing right now?
I'm just about to go on a drive.
Hey, you want to come through? I'm right here in Big Bear. You can check out my brand new tent that I just got. I can guarantee you, you're gonna love it.
Yeah, sure, dude. I like that place.
All right, I'll be waiting here. I'm right here by the playground. Come on by.
Sweet.
Yes.
Man, I wonder what kind of tent you got. Is that a Tacomabeast tent?
Is that Steve? Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
What's up?
Well, hi.
What do you think of my Tacomabeast tent?
Well, I mean, it's a Tacomabeast tent, so who wouldn't love it?
I love it. You want to check it out?
Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, Steve, before we actually climb inside, let's go ahead and let my viewers know about this awesome Tacomabeast tent.
Yep.
So first off, just looking at it, what do you think?
I think it's made by Tacomabeast.
Besides that.
It's awesome. Like, you know, I really like the topography and like just, it's cool, especially the little annex room that you got.
Exactly. That's a cool little add-on. The cool thing about the annex room, it actually comes with the specific tent. So if you get the extended fly, it comes with it. You don't even have to worry. We should probably get one for your RAV4, don't you think?
Maybe.
All right. So just to give you a little background on this, so this specific tent that I do have on my Tacoma, it's a 2 to 3 person tent. You do fit comfortably with 2 to 3 people. You could probably squeeze in another person if it's like 2 kids and parents, but you want to keep it at 2 to 3 just to be nice and comfy. Another cool thing about this specific one, like I said, this one is an extended fly. This one you can actually put maybe another 1 or 2 cots down here. You can add another 2 people or 1 person comfortably sleeping right here at the bottom. So the bottom does either stay open as I have it right now. You guys will see when we climb inside, or you can actually add the floor to kind of keep it nice and covered away from the bugs, which I think is pretty cool.
Yep.
So if you don't want to do that, cool thing about this annex room is you can also use it as maybe your dinner room, because as you saw earlier off camera, it does open up fully. So we can go ahead and we'll show you guys right now. You can open this door, that door, and the other door to kind of give it some nice fresh air. Cool thing that you pointed out is it has the netting, right?
Yeah.
So that way the bugs don't bug you or anything like that. So like I said, you can use this as a dinner room or for extra sleeping or even for the dogs, right?
Yeah.
How many dogs do you have?
1.
I have 2, so that makes 3. They could fit comfortably. Let's bring them next time.
Yeah, let's do it.
Heck yeah. So before we actually step inside the tent, kind of show you guys how it looks from the inside, we're going to show you guys the openings that we were talking about. So there's going to be 3 of them to kind of vent out the room inside. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it does have a Velcro at the bottom of them, and then it'll be zippered on the side of each of them. Once you get it open like that, you can then just roll it up. Super simple, literally nothing hard about this, as you guys can tell. It's that easy. And another cool thing, if you don't want to open up the other doors, basically all of them are doors or windows. Whatever you want to make it, it has 3 of them. And I'll explain why right now. Let's say you're on the side of the cliff or something like that, and you can't get out from that side, you can't get out from this side for some reason, or you can't get out from over there. Each one's a door, so you can use whichever one you want. As you can tell, it zips open right here, and then it zips closed or whatever, goes all the way around. So we're going to show you guys the rest of them if you follow me this way. Same thing, Velcro on the bottom, zipper on the sides, and then we just roll this thing up nice and evenly. All right, and this is going to be your main door. So there's going to be 1 more on this side. Right now we don't have the floor installed, so the tent's kind of at an odd shape. So we're not going to open this one up, but just to show you guys, there's the other door and window. We don't have it fully extended. It's just right now to kind of demonstrate for you guys. So Steve, are you ready to just hop inside and kind of show you?
Let's do it. Let's get out of these elements.
Yeah, let's go. All right, you guys, so now that we came inside, we're just kind of enjoying the shade. Right here, I got Steve. I just want to go ahead and show him and show you guys as well. So as you can tell, it is very spacious. Don't you think if you can fit maybe 2 cots, for sure 1 comfortably.
Yeah, 1 comfortably, 2 if you got to squeeze in here easily.
And then you saw the quality of the floor. I know we don't have it installed, but just off the top of your head, what do you think of the floor?
Oh, it was nice and thick, and I feel like if you were to put down a cot, like even though I wouldn't recommend it, you could probably do it without putting any pucks.
Yeah, or just do a floor mattress, correct? Or a wallet mattress, I should say.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah, I'd say, or even if your dogs, whatever, I don't know. For sure, from what I saw, I don't know about you, it looks thicker than a regular ground tent.
Oh yeah,
and
it
people
does.
put cots in there, including yourself.
Yep.
So that says something. But yeah, like I said, this room is very spacious. There's 3 openings as far as doors or windows. There's also one more opening right here on the side of me, which is my truck. I'm not going to open it because there's nothing there. But if you do have like a bed rack that is more of a crossbar, you can probably access your bed from here. I don't have that type of bed rack, so I can't access my bed. But it's cool that they actually put this here. So now let's go ahead and go upstairs and show you guys the next room. All right, Steve, so I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm gonna go back upstairs. You can go ahead and stay down here, do whatever you want. I'm gonna show the viewers, but I'm gonna take a nap as well.
All right, night.
Bye. I'm ready. All right, you guys. So coming right up, you're gonna notice it is very spacious. The specific tent that I have fits 2 to 3 people comfortably. You can maybe fit 1 more person if it's 2 little kids. If you guys do get the bigger version of this, you can fit even more. I believe there's 2 more on top of this one. So I believe this one's the smaller one, and then the next one up, you can fit 4 people comfortably no matter what. It's cool that they cater to your needs. As far as for me, this one's just for me and my girl. That's all I really need, and our dogs. So cool thing about this cool tent is it may be similar to other ones. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I just want to kind of give you guys a quick walk around just in case you guys haven't been up to a rooftop tent, because this is like my second story out on when I go camping, you know. But yeah, so back here, basically what we have in back of me is going to be another access door that I'm facing straight forward. That's the one I came in from, and that's where the annex room and that whole room is. So another cool thing is there's going to be 2 pouches here, 1 pouch there, 1 pouch right up front of me. Right here you have another access window. I don't want to open it because it is very windy right now and it's going to mess with my audio. So I'd rather suffer for you guys to get you guys better audio, because I am sweating really bad right now. On the right side here, you have 2 more pouches. There's a pouch here, another pouch over there. The pouches kind of serve as to put your phone, to put anything like that. And then right here you have another access window. Cool thing about this specific tent, which I think is probably similar with some of them, this one actually has 2 access lightings up top here. Another thing, it does have little openings here. Those are always open. That's just to kind of keep the tent ventilated in here so you don't pass out and die, because no one wants that. Another cool thing about this is it does come with everything you're going to need in this baggie and another couple baggies. But in here you got your stakes. In here you got your stakes to go ahead and stake down the annex and stuff like that. Like I said, we don't have it fully open. We just wanted to kind of give it a quick breakdown for you guys, just in case you guys are curious on how the Tacomabeast tent looks. Inside of here, I also have the openers. They are about this long, so those, they open up each window to kind of give it that fresh breeze all the way around. Those are freaking awesome. If it wasn't for me filming right now, you guys, I'd honestly have that open and just, you can fall asleep up here with the fresh breeze. But as far as right now, it's like a sauna. So yeah, so I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys that quick video and demonstration for you guys. As far as opening it, I've made many videos on how to open a rooftop tent. So if you guys want to check that out, let me know. I'll send you the link to that. I'm not going to do it in this one. I just wanted to give you guys a quick walk around, just in case you guys are curious on what the Tacomabeast tent looks like when it's open. A lot of people were asking me, so here's the video. Heck yeah. Let me go ahead and get back down. I'm going to go check on Steve, see what he's doing, and I'm going to get his last reactions and what he thinks about it, and we'll end the video. Let's go back downstairs. Steve, so now that I showed you my 2-story home, that's pretty much a house on wheels. What'd you think?
I think it's awesome. I wish I could put one on my RAV.
Yeah, I think you still could. Just power's lacking.
Yeah, probably got to get rid of the box, but we can make something work maybe.
I think we should. Let's get it going.
All right.
So if people do want to go ahead and buy it, you guys already know, check out the description box below. Do you recommend this tent or something else?
I honestly do recommend this tent a lot, just because of the room comes included. A lot of tents don't have them included.
You have to buy it as an extra annex room.
Yep.
So yeah, so if you guys do enjoy today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Let's get Steve to 1,000 followers on Instagram.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.